Okay, that's a real quick tutorial on how to set up the settings, or general settings for your WordPress site. As you can see, I'm already logged into the WordPress control panel, also known as the dashboard. On the left side, I have the various menu items that I can pick from to make changes to my WordPress blog. For general settings, I'm going to go down here to Settings, under General. That's very important, your blog title, basically the title of your site. That is what's going to show up here when somebody's at your website, and it's also what's going to be indexed on with the search engines. So make sure it's very relevant to the content of your site. It is probably the most important textual piece of material that you can put into your blog or website. The tagline, it's kind of like a subtitle. It's also kind of the meta description, if you were to look at it as a static HTML site. So put something relevant there as well. The location where the blog is located. Typically this is your root directory or your domain URL. By default it will be without the www. I recommend putting that in there, and I'll explain why in another tutorial. Same thing with the blog address, and of course if it's located at a different place, like behind your domain under a different file, you would place that in there. That is usually set up when you install WordPress. You also set your time zones here. As you can see, it's set to UTC-6 or 619. This is a site that's actually in Dominica, so that time is correct. Date format, whatever you prefer. Time format, whatever you prefer, and save your settings. And that covers the general settings for your WordPress blog.